Okay, so let's finish up this page. All right, can Jensen read this, please? Every substance.
Each substance melts and boils. Different substances takes different time to melt because it takes different amounts of heat to melt them. The amount of heat in a substance is called the temperature.
Okay. All right, Joanna, can you read the next two paragraphs?
The temperature at which substance melts is melting
Point.
point.
This is when. This is when it changes.
When it changes from a solid to a liquid.
Thank you. All right, next, Joanna, can you read the next one?
The temperature, is it the temperature that which a substance?
The last sentence, yes.
Okay. Boils is its boiling point. This is when it changes from a liquid to gas.
Okay, very good. Okay, so basically there's a few keywords you need to focus on. The first keyword is temperature. Second keyword is melting point. Third keyword is boiling point. So these are the few keywords. Out of these keywords, you need to know their main definition. Okay, so a few things. Different substance takes different time to melt. Okay, and the amount of heat in substance is called temperature. So melting point, what is the definition? Means that it changed from solid to liquid. What is boiling? Boiling is liquid to gas. Okay, these are the few key words. Okay, I think try to type in the chat. Temperature. Okay, because these are very important keywords for your essay next time. Temperature is the amount of heat in a substance. Temperature is the amount of heat typo in a substance. Please type temperature is the amount of heat in a substance.
Do we have to type the heat?
You type the correct review. I'm just telling you that I typed the heat wrongly. Okay. Up to you. You want to type or you want to write in your book. It's fine. These are very important points, is it? Okay. The next thing you need to know is melting point is when a substance changes from solid to liquid. Next is boiling point is when a substance changes from liquid to gas. Next, boiling point is when a substance changes from liquid to gas. The last one is thermometer is a tool used to measure temperature. Okay, there's 4 keywords you need to know: thermometer, temperature, boiling point, melting point. Okay, so this is a water boiling point. Water boiling point is at 100 Celsius. We measure temperature with a thermometer. The unit we use is degrees Celsius. Okay. One more thing in the chat which you need to type is boiling point 100 Celsius, while melting point is 0 Celsius. Okay. So you see activity 3.6, measuring the temperature. So how do you measure the temperature? Is that you put some water in a cup, measure the temperature of the water using a thermometer. So you record a temperature which is in Celsius. Okay, so this is where you did the experiment, where you put the ice cube in a pan and heat them up. As soon as the ice cube have melted, so you take the temperature. So this is what we see in the experiment in the video. All right. So number 1, can Jensen try to answer? Number 1 is the easy one. What temperature do you record for the melting point of water? Jensen, easy one, melting point. Jensen, melting point, easy.
Liquid.
What is the melting point? What's the temperature for melting point? I just typed in the chat just now.
Zero.
Very good, 0. B, boiling point.
100.
Very good. Room temperature. Room temperature in Malaysia. Room temperature is the environment temperature. Plus minus around 30. Okay. Okay, please type in the chat. Room temperature is around 30. It's not exactly 30, okay? It's around 30 because different day the temperature is different. Okay. Draw a bar chart. Okay, I think you guys learned how to draw a bar chart in your maths already, right? So this one no need. The melting point of 0 and the boiling point is 100. Do you measure this temperature? If not, why do you think the temperature you measure was different? Okay. Why should you never put your hand in steam? Because it might be hot. Okay, so we learned that the boiling point is a temperature at which substance changes from liquid to gas, which I told you this is a very important words. That's why you need to type this now. The melting point is the temperature at which the substance changes from solid to liquid, which we have also already typed. Okay. So let's finish up everything in chapter 3. Chapter 3, let's finish up all over here. Okay, which of the following substances are solid? Which are liquid and which are gas? Okay, can you label on the screen? Can you label on the screen whether it's solid, liquid, or gas? Okay, like for example, oil. Very good. Plastic. Plastic. Good. Paper. Carbon dioxide. Good. Oxygen. Good. Vinegar. Fantastic. Okay. Takes a shape of a container. Solid, liquid, or gas? Container. Or you can mention more than one. Solid is like this. It doesn't take a container shape. What is inside that takes the shape of the container? What's inside? Very good. So it's liquid and gas. Both. Gas also takes the shape of the container. Okay. Next. All directions. Spread out in all directions. Zoom, 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 zoom. Solid, liquid, or gas? Okay, good. Does not change shape easily. Good. Colorless. Actually, all of it. Solid. Colorless normally is gas. Liquid is not necessary. Liquid like orange juice, all this got many colors. Most of the time, colorless is gas. Cannot be squashed. Cannot be squashed. Solid, liquid, or gas? Which one cannot be squashed?
Solid and liquid.
Liquid can squash. Can.
Only liquid.
So cannot be squashed is solid.
Solid.
Understand? Okay. Okay. Harold, number 3. What are the 3 phases of water? Doesn't matter if water or not. What are the 3 phases of matter? The whole chapter is all about it.
I don't know.
Solid, liquid, and gas. The whole chapter is all about it, okay? Solid, liquid, and gas. What is the boiling point of water, Harold?
What?
What's the boiling point in? What's the boiling point of water? We type in chat.
100 Celsius.
Fantastic. Melting. Melting. Harold? Melting.
0.
Very good. Okay, number 4. Thank you, Harold. Number 4. Joanna. This diagram represents solid, liquid, or gas.
This diagram below representation model of a solid, liquid, or gas. These particles is gas.
Okay. Write one sentence to explain. Why do you think it's gas?
Because gas particle is flow far away.
Very good. Good job. Okay. Next. Amol and Jia want to compare how long it takes to melt the margarine and butter. They want to plan a fair test. Okay. Do you put equal amount of butter and margarine together in a pan? When you put same, then is it fair or not? Yes, so you should put the same amount. Good. Yes, this is a fair test. Good. Thick. Then put an equal amount of butter and margarine in a pan and a pot. Put one in a pan, one in a pot. Fair or not? No, not fair. I have to put the same equipment. Put an equal amount of butter and margarine in 2 identical pans. 2 same pans? Fair or not? Fair. So C is fair. Then next, heat both pans one after another on the same stove. You use one after another. Heat different time, no. So D, no. Because it's different time. Okay, so heat each pan on an identical stove starting at the same time. So put both at the same time. Yes, that's good. E, good. Okay, let me clear all because I'm going to scroll to F. Okay, so heat one pan on a gas ring, and the other pan on the electric. Use different electric, can or not? No. Okay. Draw a diagram to describe how butter changes from solid to liquid. Use the particle model in your diagram. Okay, can you get a piece of paper to show the diagram? Okay, I have already asked you to draw the diagram before. But now it just focus on the diagram, how the butter change from solid to liquid. Show me the particle model. Okay, try to do on a piece of paper and then, okay, that would be your homework.
Is it draw a diagram?
Yes.
Like the activity board we
Remember the particle models? In the last.
like the activity we yesterday do.
I forgot, is it yesterday or a few days ago? Yes. Remember, got one day I asked you to draw 2. One is table, and the other one is the particles diagram. The ball.
I know, But is it draw like that? Same.
Something like this. Yeah, something like this. The particle model. This is the particle model.
Is it draw solid, liquid, gas, bulk?
What it says, draw a diagram to describe how butter changed from solid to liquid. So no, just solid and liquid. Okay, let me share with you. Basically, you need to show a diagram. Solid butter into liquid butter. Okay, then after that, this one, it shows that it changes. So you draw solid. They want the particle model. So you draw the particle models. They put together. I couldn't manage to put it together. So your drawing, make sure it's all stick together, okay? To become liquid. Okay, but the circle more balanced a bit, okay? Don't draw more circle like me, okay? Okay. Then after that, right there, this process is called melting. This is your answer. Okay, you need to know all these words, okay? Remember I told you about particle model, I told you about diagram. These are all your answers. All right? I'm going to close this in 5, 4, 3.
Teacher let me.
I'm not supposed to let you copy. It's like exam. Try to do it by yourself. I'm just giving you the idea. Stop. Okay. So let me give you the question. Okay, once done, let me know. Okay. Okay, if you're done,
Finish.
if you're not done, go, no worries. If you're done, please open your activity book page 32 and try to do it. Fantastic. Good job, done. Try to do this. We'll discuss in 6 minutes time. Okay, I go for toilet break for a moment, okay? Okay, how's it doing? Can we discuss? Okay. Let's say sons. Okay, here to here, let's have Jensen. Then here to here, let's have Joanna. Here to here, let's have Harold. Okay, Jensen, can you read the first 5? Everything.
Everything consists of matter.
Good.
All matter consists of temperature.
Okay. No. Everything consists of particles. Okay, let's continue.
If the particles are closer packaged so that they can only move a little bit, the substance is a solid.
Good. Move on.
If the
Particles.
are moved loosely packed so that they can slide over each other, the substance is a liquid.
Good.
If the particles are far apart and move a lot, the substance is a gas.
Fantastic. Joanna. Nana. Can you read na 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 na?
It causes to a solid to liquid and change phase from solid to freezing melting point.
Solid to liquid. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I see. Okay, yes, can be 2 times. Okay. Solid to liquid and changes phase from solid to gas. Number 7 is gas. Okay. Okay, sorry, I didn't hear you again.
I type on the screen.
Okay, number 7 is not change phase. Phase is solid, liquid, or gas. So change phase from solid to liquid. Number 7 is liquid. Solid to gas. Heating causes solid to liquid and changes phase from solid to gas.
Okay.
For example, when you heat a piece of butter, it changes from the butter solid. Number 8, it changes from the solid phase to the liquid phase. Okay. Got it, Joanna?
Okay.
Cooling causes the liquid to
Cooling causes a liquid to solid.
Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Heating causes solid okay, heating causes solid to melt. Sorry, this is melt.
Okay.
Solid to melt and changes phase from solid to liquid.
Okay.
Heating causes melt and changes phase from solid to liquid. For example, you heat butter, it changes from the solid phase to the liquid phase.
Number 7 is
Liquid.
okay.
Cooling causes a liquid to
Cooling causes a liquid to solid.
no. Just now is melt. This one is melt. Number 6 is melt. So this one is freeze. Because heat will cause melt, cool will cause freeze.
Liquid to
Number 10 is liquid to freeze.
freezing point.
And just freeze. Just freeze. For example, water change ice into ice. Freezing makes a substance change from the liquid phase to the solid phase. We can measure the temperature.
And measure the temperature
At which a substance melts with a melting point. Melt with a melting point. This is called melt with. We can measure the temperature of a substance melt with a thermometer. Okay, sorry. With a thermometer. Measure with a tool called thermometer. So this is called melting point. We can measure the temperature at which a substance freezes. This is called the freezing point. Got it?
Teacher, wait. My question is wrong.
Oh, okay. All right, no problem. So if you have done, okay, you can leave. If you have not done, all right, so feel free to complete it. All right?
Okay.
Okay, that's all. Thank you. Okay, bye. I'll leave it, okay? I'll go get my tea break too. Okay, bye. I'll leave it.